Hello everyone, welcome to the blind 75 LeetCode question series, and let's continue with the another question, that is find minimum in rotated sorted array. Now what does this mean? We know what is find minimum, right? We need to find the minimum in an array. But what is this rotated sorted array? So basically what this is that we are given an array. Let's take for here as an example 1 2 3 4 5. Now let's imagine this in a circular manner, okay, in a clockwise manner, 1 2 3 4 5, and the pointer is over here. Okay, what if we rotate it in anti-clockwise? So in that case, if you rotate it one time, the 2 will come here, 1 will come here, 5 here, 4 here, and 3 here. So it will look like this: 2 1 3 4 and 5. Pointer is still pointing over here. What if we rotate it one more time? 2 will come over here, 1 will come over here, 5 will come over here, 4 here, and 3 will come over here. Okay, now if we write it back again, it will look something like this: 3 4 5 1 and 2. This is a rotated sorted array which is rotated 2 times. Okay, and let me explain you in one more way. That is, let's say I have written this like this array in this manner. Okay, one rotation means what? I'll take the first element and place it at the back of the array, so it will look like this: 2 3 4 5 and 1. If I do it one more time, it will look like this: 3 4 5 1 2. Okay, similar to what we had earlier. This is also rotated sorted array which is rotated 2 times. Okay, now we need to find the minimum value in this rotated sorted array. Now there are 2 simple methods with which we can do this. Okay, but we will first see the 2 simple methods which are very small, which is similar to what we do like when we want to find a minimum value. Okay, and one more method that we will see, that is the reason why this question is a medium level question. Okay, the reason is that in the follow-up question, or in the last line, it is written, you must write an algorithm that runs in big O of logN time. Okay, and that's the main issue over here. Okay, and that's the main reason that this question comes under medium level. Okay, otherwise it is really easy to solve if it were in the easy level question. Now what is the simple method? The first method is a one line method. Okay, we have already seen in my previous videos, I have already explained this kind of thing. Okay, so we'll simply return yes directly. It is just a one line solution. So this find minimum in rotated sorted array is, it's really simple. It is, we need to find the minimum value. Okay, and how do we find a minimum value in an array? We use the arrays stream, we convert it to stream of nums. In that we find minimum. If we do not find minimum, then what value do we give? 0. Okay, it's simple. If we submit this, it will be really easy. It is done. But the thing is, it will take a lot of time. Okay, like it is, although it is big O of n time complexity, but you can see it beats only 26.91%, and it is runtime is 3 ms. So that's one way to solve this. Another way is simple for loop. Okay, it will take a minimum value, let's say integer dot max underscore value. Okay, and we'll go through our values like the nums array, and we will check which is minimum. Is the minimum value or the value that we have in our array, and at the end we'll simply return our minimum value. It is really that simple. This is the second method, and it will also give us the correct answer. Okay, but this also is big O of n time complexity. Okay, although it beats 100% and big O of 0 ms and all that, but it does not satisfy what the question is actually asking. You must write an algorithm that runs in big O of log n time, and for that the only thing that we have that runs on big O of log n time is binary search. Okay, now if you have not watched my video on binary search, I have created a video. I will suggest that you watch that and then you come here. It will be really easy for you to understand that. Okay, so how are we going to solve this using binary search? So let me do one thing. Let's have a walkthrough over here with the explanation so that it will be really easy. Not this one, this is not the array. This is the original array. We need to write the rotated array. 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. I will also write the index 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, this is the index, this is the nums array. Okay, now in the binary search we have two main things and one is something that we derive. First is the start, next is the end, that is going to be 4, and next is the mid value. For mid value we have formula start plus end minus start by 2. Okay, many people do end minus start by 2, end plus start by 2, start plus end by 2. You know, it is up to you, but this is the most optimum solution or the formula. So what we'll do is that we will check whatever mid value we get, we will check it with the end value. Okay, if we have that value greater than end value, okay, then we have our minimum value on the right part of our array. Okay, for example, let's say this is the array 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. If we compare 5 and 2, you will see that all the elements that are small, if 5 is greater than 2, that means all the values, all the elements that we have, that is, there are smaller, that is the minimum value we can have is on the right of the value 5. Okay, on the left they are going to be smaller but not the smallest. Okay, now that is the first step. Okay, after that we will check if this value is smaller than, if this value is smaller than the end value. Okay, in that case we will search in the left part. Why is that? So let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is our array. Okay, now in this case the mid value is 3. 3 is smaller than 5. Okay, that means the smallest value will be on the left part of this array. Okay, so that is the main thing. So if we go through here, let's say this mid value will be 2 first of all. Okay, first of all this mid value will be 2. If you go through with this formula that we have, okay, we will check if mid value is greater than end or less than end. Okay, if it is greater than end, what are we going to do? So let's say mid of 2, that is 5, is greater than 2. Yes, in that case what we'll do, start will be equals to mid plus 1. Mid plus 1, that is going to be start. So this is 3. And if not, if it is smaller than mid, then we will have end is equal to mid. Okay, so let's say right now it is like this. Start is 3, and since the value, that is this one, is not smaller than the end value, then we will keep it as it is. Okay, and after this our end mid will get updated. How? So let's see here. So now we have start value as 3, end value is 4, minus 3 by 2, 3 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is 0, plus 3, that is 3. So third index, okay, this mid will become 3. Is it greater than 2? No. So start will remain as it is. Is it less than end? Yes, it is less than the last value. So for that what we'll do is that end will be equals to mid. So end will become 3. And here if you will see, start is equal to end. This will break our condition of start less than end. And here we will exit the loop and we will return nums of start. Okay, it is that simple. Now if you have not understood this, that means you have not watched my video on binary search. and I will suggest that you watch that. If you have understood this, then let's jump into the code and understand. So the first thing is that we need two things. First is the starting value, and then it is the last value. Okay, next what we are going to do, while or base condition start less than end. Next is we'll find mid, that is start plus end minus start by 2. Okay, here we will check if nums of mid is greater than start, nums of end. Okay, in that case what we'll do, start will be equals to mid plus 1. Now one thing over here is that we will not use else, we will only use if. Okay, if nums of mid is less than nums of end, in that case end will be equals to mid, and at the end we'll simply return nums of start. Okay, let me submit this. So as you can see, it is completed in a big go of logN time, and we have completed this using the binary search. And the next question that we are going to look at, that is search in rotated sorted array. It is also similar to this one, but in this question we had to find a minimum. In this question we will be given a target, we will have to find that. Now if you have understood this, find minimum in rotated sorted array, I will suggest that you try this question on your own. Okay, otherwise if you are not able to do so, let me know in the comments. I will make a video on this in a few days. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it and you understood this and you learned something new. And do let me know if you have any other problems for me to solve from any other platform. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep coding.